Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, slaving over a hot stove? What if there was a way to cook delicious, nutritious meals in a fraction of the time? Meet the pressure cooker that has revolutionized the way thousands of people cook. It's not just a pressure cooker, it's a rice cooker, steamer, slow cooker, and yogurt maker all in one. Customers rave about its ease of use. With just a few simple steps, you can have a meal ready in no time. Imagine prepping a week's worth of lunches in just 20 minutes. Yes, it's possible with this incredible kitchen tool. The delay timer and auto shut-off features mean you can set it and forget it, coming home to a perfectly cooked meal. The cookbook that comes with it is a treasure trove of recipes, timed for both stovetop and pressure cooking. From perfectly poached eggs in 2-3 minutes to baked potatoes in 12 minutes, the possibilities are endless. Customers love the convenience of cooking everything in one pot. No more juggling multiple pans and pots. The stainless steel insert is adored for its durability and ease of cleaning. Some parts are even dishwasher safe. The pressure cooker is praised for its fast cooking speed, making it a lifesaver on busy weeknights. It's not just about speed, the quality of the food is exceptional. Tender, juicy, and full of flavor. The yogurt maker feature is a game changer. Homemade yogurt that's healthier and more cost-effective. The sauté function allows you to brown meats and sauté vegetables right in the pot before pressure cooking. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for feeding a family or meal prepping for the week. The user-friendly control panel with preset cooking options makes meal planning a breeze. The Keep Warm feature ensures your food stays at the perfect temperature until you're ready to eat. Customers appreciate the versatility of this kitchen tool. It's an indispensable part of their kitchen arsenal. The pressure cooker has transformed summertime cooking, allowing for more variety and less time in the kitchen. It's not just for dinner, you can make everything from soups to desserts with ease. The pot-in-pot cooking method is perfect for making multiple dishes at once, saving even more time. The pressure cooker is a revelation for cooking international cuisines, bringing new flavors to your table. The quality of the appliance is top-notch, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen. The pressure setting makes food tender and juicy, perfect for meats, vegetables, and even potatoes. The convenience of cooking everything in one pot means less mess and fewer dishes to clean. The pressure cooker is a versatile and useful kitchen tool, making it an essential item in any home. Customers love the taste of the food, from roasted meats to perfectly cooked rice. The ease of cleaning is a major plus, with quick and simple cleanup after each use. The pressure cooker has changed the way people eat, making it easier to cook healthy, delicious meals. It's a great idea for holidays, allowing you to cook large meals with minimal effort. The pressure cooker is praised for its ability to cook an array of dishes, from meats to desserts. With so many positive reviews, it's clear that this pressure cooker is a must-have for any kitchen. Transform your cooking experience and make meal prep a breeze with this incredible pressure cooker. Your kitchen will never be the same.